Good morning, everyone, from a very cold Cape Town. And in this news article now, there's very good news for gun owners. And it is very important that everyone knows that the Concourt is found in favor of gun owners whose guns have been confiscated by the police because they couldn't relicense their firearms in time. The Concourt found that they can still apply for those licenses. And this is really going to put the police in a real mess. So in the headline for this article in IOL, it says Constitutional Court finds in favor of gun owners who fail to renew firearm licenses before expiration. Pretoria, in a groundbreaking judgment today, the Constitutional Court found in favor of all South African gun owners who failed to renew their firearm licenses before their expiration. The court determined that those who were unable to renew their firearm licenses in time were subsequently barred from further obtaining a valid license, are allowed to follow the process as stipulated in the Firearms Controls Act to obtain a valid firearm license for such firearms. The application was earlier initiated by Fidelity Security Services, who turned to the Gauteng High Court Pretoria as it was unable to renew hundreds of its firearms as its licenses had lapsed. The police refused to renew the lapsed licenses, and the only option open for Fidelity at the time was to either have their firearms destroyed or to fight the issue in court. The High Court turned down its application to interdict the SAPS from refusing to renew the licenses, and the judge at the time said the law had to be followed, which said firearm owners had to apply 90 days prior for a new license before the old ones had lapsed. Fidelity, however, scored a subsequent victory in Supreme Court of Appeal, so the High Court did not find in their favor. The Appeal Court did not uphold the finding and overturned the finding, which found that the Firearms Control Act did make provision for a person to renew a lapsed firearm license. The police minister took this issue to the Concourt because Bheki Cele obviously don't want people to have firearms. He wants the police to have all the power, which upheld the findings of the Supreme Court of Appeal. So this is a big victory for gun owners. It confirmed the prior judgment handed down by the Supreme Court of Appeal in that a firearm, whether licensed or not, is the property of the owner until it is destroyed in terms of the respective legislative provisions. This is also a confirmation of the property rights gun owners possess in respect of their firearms as envisaged in Section 25 of the Constitution, irrespective of their licensing status. Armand Greiling, Legal and Risk Officer at AfriForum, said he confirmed that although Fidelity had initiated the application, the order was also a victory to all gun owners with expired licenses. And he said, "We are thrilled about the news and trust that the Minister of Police will issue directives and promulgate regulations as soon as possible to give effect and reflect the Concourt's judgment," he said. So this is a case where the Concourt has worked for us, where the Constitution has worked for us, and that is really good news. It's not often that this happens because the Concourt, especially when it comes to global elites and their power over our lives, have ruled many bad rulings in the past. In this case, it served the people of the country like it should. And I really want to thank the judges involved in upholding this, the fact that South Africans that hold firearms can relicense those firearms and that the police can't just go and destroy them all. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon for new videos, and then you can follow the link to this article in the description below this video as well as in the first comment. Thank you very much. Till the next video.